What is going on, everybody? Drew here with New Beginnings Landscaping. I know it has been quite a while since I have uploaded or even attempted to film a video because of just nothing really going on around here. I had a little bit I could have filmed. I cut some limbs for my granddaddy, but for one, I didn't really feel like it, and it was raining, and I'm gonna be completely honest. And then I don't even know what happened to my suction cup from my windshield or my tripod. All I've got is my little belt clip here. So we've got one to go do. Got the old hunting club to go do. See what it looks like. I put blades, changed the blades. I've got to go to town and get my service, my oil and my filters and all, air filters and all that stuff, hydro oil and everything. I'm gonna do a complete change out on that for the year. I didn't do it last year because I think I did the oil, but I haven't done the hydros yet, and haven't done the air filter. I've got right under 200 hours on the mower, so it's definitely time for that. They told me the hydros, you can go, I think it was 200 is what they told me, which seemed pretty long. Seemed like a good little while for a break-in period. I thought that was kind of long, but probably gonna go and get that stuff when I get done mowing real quick and change it out. But yeah, so we're gonna see about getting back into this. I kind of ventured away from it a little bit. I'm actually putting together a little outdoor fishing channel, fishing, hunting, stuff like that. Putting that together, so I'm gonna announce that at some point whenever I get a few videos up there. I've got one, but it's not really much to it. So yeah, anyway, if you're into that, I'll leave a link in the description. How about that? Just in case. I've only got one video posted. I think I've got 3 subscribers. I haven't dumped a whole lot of time into it yet, but I plan on getting that going because I'm definitely more geared towards the outdoors, fishing and hunting and stuff like that. And you know, it helps for my boy. It helps, you know, record stuff for him and all that. But this is a lawn care channel. I don't want to talk too much about it over here, but there will be a link in the description if you guys do decide to check it out. You can check it out in the early stages. But yeah, we're gonna try and get some mowing footage. I don't know how well it's gonna work because, like I said, all I've got is this belt clip. I'll probably try to prop it up somewhere, and I might be able to clamp it on the piece of tin or something on the roof, but we'll see how it goes. Y'all stick around. All right, guys, so here we are. You can see we got a little overgrowth around the air conditioner there, right up over there. It's not too bad. A lot of that spring grass, which is a pain in the behind because it's so soft. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's not as bad as it was that first time I came here. So knock that stuff down. A lot of old sour weed. But yeah, not too bad. Up in there, weed eat around all them. Weed eat around that shed. Yeah, not too bad. But I think I might be able to get it up there, get the camera, maybe stand on the back of the lawnmower and get it clipped up there, maybe. I don't know, I might pull one of these picnic tables back. I don't know. I'll figure it out. We're having to double cut everything, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, but hey, spring grass is hard to cut. So I got mulching blades on here to try to help that out. But here we go, set y'all up real quick. Maybe this is about the best place I can. I know you ain't gonna get the best shots, I'm sorry about that, but that's about all I can do right there. All right, guys, so that's that mowing. Now we gotta trim it all out and we be done. Had to get me something to drink. How you like that cup? Y'all still got y'all's cup? Those of y'all that went? This is awesome. I love this cup. Got some sweet tea in there right now. I wish I had some lemonade. I'd have made me an Arnold Palmer. I love that. But, alright, now the hard part, trimming everything out. I hope I have enough gas. My wife blew our entire yard the other day and ended up using all the gas, so hopefully I got that much in the tank, so that should be enough. But I'm not gonna put y'all on my belt loop like I normally do. I'm gonna try to set y'all up somewhere and just go down and then come back, pick it up, move it, that kind of stuff. Some stuff I'm not gonna be able to get, but it'll be okay. You get the idea. Y'all seen it before. I know I've got a video up somewhere. I put it up here somewhere. It was an overgrown disaster the first time I came out here. But yep, so we're gonna trim it out and be done with it, and then I'm gonna go to the dealership and get my all air filters and hydro filters, hydro all that good stuff, and get the mower ready for this year and fill up all them suckers. Favorite one by far, absolutely. But this year, no, the first year I did it, I could just use one of these 2.5 or 2.2 gallon, and that would last me all year long. But this year, or last year, I ended up using about 5 gallons. So this year I'm gonna fill up one of those big ones. Probably use the Surecan. Use that one, because what I normally do when filling it up, I just take this off, because that way you ain't got to mess with it too bad. I just take that whole nozzle off and just pour it straight out, and it does pretty good like that, filling up the mower. So yeah, I'm moving up slowly but surely. It's gonna scale back probably one more good time this year. One more good time this year I'm gonna scale back, because my full-time job, they moved me to another position, so I'm not able to get out of there until an hour later, so, and sometimes later than that. So I don't want to designate, you know, this yard or that yard for you know, say Wednesday I'll go and mow Miss Susie's yard, and then I have to work late and I'm not able to do it, and that looks bad on my part. So everything now is gonna be Saturdays, which is gonna suck, but you know, you gotta roll with the punches. You can't let anything get you down. You gotta keep going. So all right, we're gonna trim it out. Enough talking. Alright guys, that is a wrap. So we got them done again. Check this out. My wife's goat chewed the kill switch, so I had to cut it off and then touch them for it to cut off. But anyway, oh well. Alright guys, so once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Shoot me a thumbs up, give me a comment, all that good stuff. Share it, do whatever you gotta do. Hey, and if you don't like it, hit the thumbs up 3 times. And another thing, if you don't like it, leave me a comment. You know, hey, that actually helps me more than it hurts me. So there's that. You guys have a good day. We'll see y'all on the next one.